Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to write YouTube scripts, even if you've never done it before. This method makes scripting way faster and easier. First, sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your script project. This is where you'll type your ideas and prompts. Next, tell Claude AI exactly what kind of script you need. For example, write a 5-minute YouTube video script about productivity hacks. Be specific about length, tone, or style. Claude AI will instantly generate a script draft for you. Read through it and see if it fits your style. You can ask it to make it more casual, add jokes, or break it into sections with timestamps. Once the draft looks good, tweak it for your voiceover. Maybe shorten some sentences, adjust pacing, or add hooks to keep viewers engaged. Finally, copy the script to your text editor or video software. Now you're ready to record your YouTube video faster than writing from scratch. And yeah, way less stress. And that's it. Using Claude AI for YouTube scripts is simple once you know the steps. Just define your topic, generate, refine, and record. Give it a try and save yourself hours of work.